I was looking in internet, how can I buy somewhere. I would literally pay money for plastic bearing because I don't need a robotic so much speed. I don't need so much load, maximum like 5 kilograms. So it doesn't have to be really like, bearing which is for high speed and big load. So I need a low speed and must be cheap and light. Light is important. So first bearing what I was building was this one, which is here. You have the washer and there was a bed G, which is not really good because when I turn it, see, sometimes going easy, sometimes there are some obstacles. It's not really good. That bearing is heavy and it's quite expensive. I bought it I think like 80 euros, almost $9. So let's just try to check it. So this bearing is about like 32 grams and this one is 29 grams, so it's not big difference. So then I came up to other bearing, which was PLA, which is much better, much precise, and I use these small screws here. It's good, and so it's good. It's nice. And now let's compare it. So this is like 33 grams and this is 21.5. And then, as you can see, it is too easy, which is no problem because when it's going to be a load, you can see the washer. It's moving half speed. So this, then I came from this one for this one, which is actually I can measure the bearing. How much is it? Like inside is like a 40, and outside is 52. I think it's correct. 52, and wide is it 7. So I was using here like 10, which is okay. I can make it lower, but I didn't really care. But here is important. Inside must be the same, like 40. And outside I use like 61 and a half, but then I built next one, which was outside a little bit lower, like 60 or 60. Well, in CAD program, FreeCAD, I have like 60, and here it is 40, 49, 80, and and wide is it 10. If I compare it to the original is 33, and this one is exactly 20 grams, which is, so it's a 1/3 less weight for that bearing. And now let's build together from supply from this one, because I was supposed to do this one. It's like 25 inside, outside is 37 bearing, and wide is 7. So let's build together these parts. So I'm now gonna bearing here is the bolts, and now I'm gonna put it together. First, what I have to do is these mothers. I use my soldering machine. It's very good, but it's like, I don't know, like 350 degrees. Oh, perfect. So you can see a bit closer the camera. It works perfectly. It's inside. So I put all these other screws there, and I can build the good, perfect. So I can switch off my soldering machine, and so now I can inside. Perfect. It's good. And now, so, and now one after other. Perfect. It's good. This upper part where this fit. Great. And now we use, because it's a little bit thinner, it's like just 8 millimeters, 8.5. So I use these 8 millimeter M2 screws, and I'm going one after the other. Perfect. So this absolutely, the precision is amazing, just great. You see, when the washers are moving the half speed than the upper ink, it's perfect, perfect. And when I put a little bit load, and now test it the weight. Here, this bearing is 22 grams, and this is like half, 35, almost half. So it's perfect, perfect. So this is, I'm gonna use these bearings, these two bearings. It's bigger, and the small one, where is the head, where is the gripper. So far with the bearings. Here is Milan, and take care.